Good morning, pirates. So yesterday we have seen Bank Nifty's move. It is not still yet completed, and our projection was something else. So let's first go quickly through this projection. So Bank Nifty was stuck between RPZ, and it was for longer duration, like for more than 3 days, and then it took breakout. So it should have ran towards the third green box, but it did not happen. In between, there was someone who has not allowed the retail participant to cross these boundaries, and they have manipulated the market. And if the uptrend is manipulated, we can expect a minor downtrend, and with this minor downtrend, the motive is to touch 4300, and later it can touch to 43,300. So it needs additional efforts. Right now, if you can watch what is happening with the price is struggling to reach to the target. That means the target is nothing like when it is a kind of target inside target. What is that? It is when the price is reaching to the target, it will behave like it is approaching to the target, but the purpose of reaching to this point is to give a sharp fall. So that is what we are expecting from Bank Nifty. That was just an overview from the tomorrow session. So before going ahead, just subscribe to the channel and please post your comments in the video, and also our request, if you have any queries, you can post those queries in the video. Along with that, I'm recommending some stocks, so you can also invest in those stocks if you are aware of opportunity window concept. If you're not aware of opportunity window concept, just visit our channel Bank Nifty Zones, and there you will find a lot of videos which are explaining this concept. So let's see the entire picture of Nifty. In hourly, Nifty is entire picture of Bank Nifty in hourly. From recent low, Bank Nifty has crossed 21602 times, and now we are in the third primary range. If you are not aware of primary range, just go through two lines club theory, where we have mentioned multiple times the index is following Dow theory, and in Dow there are basically three range: primary, secondary, and minor. And I'm showing you primary range, which is clearly visible in 1 hour time frame. So Nifty is in third primary, and third primary, if we see the third primary, the projections are like the Nifty still has scope to go upside by 2160 points from recent high. So 2160 from any low, and now we have entered. So the target is near around 44,000. That is what we can expect. And during this target, Nifty has a capacity to fall by 750 points, and that can be clearly visible in 15 minutes time frame. So if you watch 15 minutes time frame, Nifty has capacity to go up, but at the same time, Nifty has capacity to go down, which is approximately 750 points. And so from this point, Nifty can fall up to 41,800, and that is valid. That is valid in uptrend. If you are looking into the 5 minutes time frame, sorry, this Bank Nifty, I'm continuously talking about Nifty. So the range for Bank Nifty is 2160, 750, and 250, approximately 250 on 5 minutes time frame. If you're watching 5 minutes time frame, you can clearly see the control was applied in this phase, and the market got stuck within 250, approximately 250 points range for longer duration. The 80% of the price action happened in this 250 points, and when the price broke, it should have traveled to the 3x because of the long wait, but price is struggling to travel to 2x, or neither it has traveled to 3x. So that means price still has scope to climb, but during this climb, because of the pressure, there is a tendency in the price to fall. How much? From how many points it should fall? From any high, it should fall till 42,300, and then it should continue its run. If price is falling below this level, then it can create an additional 750 points fall in Bank Nifty. But until 250 points, it is okay. If it is crossing below 250, then price should go to 750. Otherwise, we are ready to go ahead. We are ready to cover upside. Similarly, if you are watching Nifty, so from any low, Nifty can cross 800 point straight. And during this journey, if you can see, if anything is happening, there is a manipulation. If manipulation is happening, then that means Nifty can crash from any point, any high by 267 points. Okay. So in this case, Nifty instead of going down, Nifty went up from this reference point. This is an up, although there are multiple down moves, but these are secondary down moves. This is not primarily down move. In this case, Nifty is at second boundary of second primary. That is why it is struggling a lot. And if we go through the secondary target or secondary range, then what we can expect over here is there can be a fall in Nifty by 267 points, and that is around 18,100 or 18,200 from recent high because of the pressure, and no clear decision is still made. And if we go to the minor zone range, you can clearly see Nifty was in sideways for certain duration, and when it is in sideways, the next decision can be made because of this sideways move, and that decision is still pending. So Nifty is awaiting for the decision, and we are at the top boundary of second primary. Either it will enter into the third primary or it will come back with the secondary power, and it can go down by 267 points. So we can see that. Along with this, we have bought some stocks where FIs are investing, and you can just go through these stocks. There are various stocks where FIs are doing their action. You can just see if you are aware of opportunity window, if the price is crossing in RSI, if it is crossing 51, then you should invest in the stock, and then that stock can make miracles because FIs are investing their money in this. So every time it is crossing above 51, you can invest in it. So there are multiple stocks we have listed out of which Polymed, you can invest in Polymed. So I'll just explain the opportunity in Polymed. What is this opportunity is the price is near EMA and the RSI is above 51. So you can just plot this via this tool, and you can format this tool at the risk of 1,000, and it should be 100%. Click OK. It will show you quantity 7. So you can buy 7 units, or you can buy 7 quantity of this Polymed at 980, and the expected target is 1099 in 22 days. And if we are watching a downside, the stop loss for this is 838. One current stop loss is 14% away, and there is, if FIs are targeting towards upside, then you need not to worry about this. Okay, so for every 1,000 rupees risk, you can invest 7. So if you would like to take a risk of 10,000, you can multiply this by 10 as well. So you can buy 70 quantity of this. Okay. So this is how we are analyzing market every day. And if you are supporting me, if you are commenting me, if you are forwarding this video to your network, then it will be really helpful for me to reach different retail participants. So thank you so much, and let's meet tomorrow after market, and there will be some shorts available during the market. That is what I'm planning with Bank Nifty zones. Thank you.